Today is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025, and at 2 o'clock p.m., this is what the waves are like at the park today. Pretty wild today. Look at that crash. I've never seen them like this. I'm from the country, and I've been to beaches, but I've never seen anything like this before. And some of you might not even be very amazed at this, but this is my first time ever seeing this. So this is kind of cool to me. Maybe you guys don't think so, but I think so. There it is, zoomed way out. I can't seem to get any closer than this, which is strange, because my phone, sometimes I can get up to 100 times closer. Maybe it only does it with pictures and not with video, though, because this is a video. But this is 5 times closer. I've never seen this stuff before. The inside of my van's getting all wet, so I gotta shut this off. But this is what the waves are like today.